Yes, to everyone watching this video, thank you for loving to learn with Teacher Eliot. Now, today I want us to understand the meaning of the word chemistry. Yes, chemistry. I know when some people hear about this word chemistry, they get some feeling, they know how to treat it them, maybe at their O level. But if you're a student and you're there, I want to encourage you that chemistry is not a big deal to have your fears about. It is just a simple subject like the other subjects. It only depends about your attitude and your determination. Yes, coming back to the definition of chemistry. Chemistry can be defined as a subdiscipline of science that deals with the study of matter and the changes it undergoes under different conditions. A subdiscipline of science that deals with the study of matter and the changes matter undergoes under different conditions. Now someone may ask, what is matter? I hope we could be having some idea about the definition of matter. But then matter is anything that occupies space and has weight. Anything that occupies space and has weight. Yes, what would be the examples of matter? Could it be ice? Yes. Could it be water? Yes. Could it be wood? Yes. Then when we talk about the changes, and before we go for changes, let us talk about conditions where we can expose our matter to. So for example, if we have our ice and we expose it to heat, what happens? That is the change we are looking for. That is the change we are talking about. So when we have our ice as matter, and when we expose it to heat, it obviously melts. So melting is the change we are talking about or we are referring to. So we have our matter, which is ice. We have exposed it to a condition which is heat. We have heated it. Then what happens to it? It melts. Melting, that is a change. So when we talk about study of matter, obviously we shall study about the behavior of matter. We shall talk about what constitutes matter. That is, I'm trying to talk about the study of matter. Yes, studying anything about matter. Remember, we said matter is anything that occupies space and has weight. And for our case, we are using the example of ice. So what constitutes matter? What constitutes matter? Yes. And if we are talking about ice, what is it about ice? How does ice behave under different conditions? So we say if we heat the ice, it melts. So we said chemistry is a subdiscipline of science that deals with the study of matter and the changes it undergoes under different conditions. When we say a subdiscipline of science, we have many subdisciplines of science. We have biology, we have physics, etc. So that's it. I hope we have understood the definition of matter. Chemistry is a subdiscipline of science, that deals with the study of matter, and the changes it undergoes under different conditions, chemistry is a sub-discipline of science, that deals with the study of matter, and the changes it undergoes under different conditions.